Today we will learn about ls command. Okay, so ls command is stand for listing command. Listing commands. Okay, so as we previous discussed, pwd command, it is used to display the current working directory. Okay, so and ls command is used to list all the files and directories under the current working directory in alphabetical order. Okay, so and third command is ls oblique hyphen p. This is used to display the difference between the directories and files. Okay, so uh, here directory shows like, suppose this is a directories. Okay, after directories there is a forward slash. Suppose this is directory 1, this is directory 2, and in is for directories, and for file just file 1, file 2. Okay, so this is how we can use ls command. And one more thing, ls hyphen a, this command this command is used to display the hidden files, and directories under present working directory under pwd. Okay, means present working directory. So let's see, doing some practical. So using pwd command, we know our present working directory. Okay, using ls command, we can see list all the files and directories under the present working directory. Okay, so the next one is ls hyphen p. See here, directory 1, after directory 1 and directory 2 directory, there is a forward slash, and after maha also there is a, this is the directories. It's make it's used to identify the difference between files and directories. And text file 1, text file 2, text file 3, and text file 3 is a file. Okay, and now we have to see the hidden files. Using ls hyphen a command, you can see the hidden files also. So you those file have a dot sign before file name. That file is a hidden file. Okay, so now we see another command also. If we have one directory, there is multiple subdirectory. Okay, so how you can find out that? Using tree structure. Okay, so this command rs hyphen r space forward slash and directory name the directory one. Okay, this command display the parent and subdirectory along with its contents in tree tree structure. Okay, so I already created one directory which is MAHA. Okay, so if I go to MAHA directory, there is one directory Pune. If I go in under Pune, there is one directory NAGP. Okay, Pune directory, I just take create one empty directory file, sorry, empty file. Okay, so if I go back, I ls hyphen r and directory name MHA. Sorry, MH. Okay, so in Maha, there is one subdirectory Pune, and in Maha Pune directory there is one file one, and one directory is Nagpur. So there is in Maha Pune and Nagpur. So it's showing like a tree structure. Okay, one more command is there, ls hyphen l. Okay, this command is used to list all the files and directories along with its permission in alphabetical manner. Okay, so see this. And one more thing, if you have to see for one particular file, then ls hyphen l and file name. Okay, see, ls hyphen l. See, th- this is this command is used to showing all the files and directories along with its permission. Okay, so this first three is for owner permission. ठीक है, first three read write and executable. Okay, after three read write and executable is for group, and last three is for another user. Okay, so if I have to check for particular file, then ls hyphen L, file name is file name. I have to check for text file 2. Okay, see, for text file 2 there is a read write permission for owner, means this is for root owner. Okay, read write, only read permission is for available for group, and only read permission is available for others user. Okay, and one more thing, this is first is a owner name, this root one is owner name, this is a group name, because we have not we are not creating any group, so by default it's a uh, root user group. Okay, and this is also root user, and this is the size of that particular file. Actually there is, this is a empty file, so no, there is not showing anything. uh, if there is any data, so it's showing in bytes. Okay, and this is the date, this is a time, and this is a file name. Okay, so you can see, you can use ls command with different parameters to check the file name, to check the content, to check the directories. Okay, this is very useful command in Linux. So there is also some there is also one command, ls hyphen ltr. What's this, what's your showing? List all the files and directory along with its permission in reverse order. Okay, if you have to show in reverse order, directory one directory, then you have to use ltr command. Okay, if we have uh, to show ls hyphen la, this command is used to list all the hidden files and directories along with its permission. There are also some hidden files also present, so to see the hidden file permission, you have to use just ls space hyphen la. See, ls hyphen la, list all the hidden files and directories along with its permissions. Okay, so this is all about the listing command which are used on daily basis as a Linux system administrator. Okay, uh, this is all about today's class. Thank you for watching, thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.